Okay, so this is question number 10, last one. So, okay, so we're going to go ahead and make a new folder. I'm going to call this the redirection folder. This will be the one where when we save it, it'll move it to the disk. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that there. Okay, so we're going to go to disk, computer management, run as administrator, disk management. Okay, we're going to create a VHD, and we're going to put this one in desktop, and we're going to save this as virtual hard disk. I think that was the name. Okay, save that. 1 GB VHDX, and let me double check. Not fixed VHDX 1 GB virtual hard drive. Okay. Okay. So that all looks good. Press OK, and that will have attached that. Okay. Go ahead and initialize disk. We want GDP. Okay, so disk has been initialized. Now we're going to create a new simple volume. Next. Alright, so we're going to mount this to desktop, the redirection folder. Okay. So press next. We want to enable file and folder compression, perform a quick format, NTFS, volume label we want virtual hard disk. Okay, so click next, click finish. Okay. We're going to create a new text that's going to be a test. Let's see if this works. Triple exclamation point, file. We're going to go save as, and we're going to put this into the redirection folder. We're going to save it. Okay, so I put it in the redirection folder. So let's see if it's in the virtual. One. Okay, so I'm going to see if this saves on there. It's not letting me open the virtual hard drive, just because it says, it says that it's a healthy drive, but it's not opening it. It's because it says that there's something in the redirection folder. So anyway, so I'm going to show you the size of this, and then we'll compare. I'll show that it's actually in the virtual hard disk. So I downloaded a test image that's 104 kilobytes. So I'll put that there in a second. Let me open up Computer Management. And just so we can see disk management. Okay, so properties. Basically, we're going to want to look and see if this has, fewer bytes because we put in that, what's it called, the picture into the redirection folder. So, okay, so I'm going to go ahead and press OK. Shrink that. I'm going to go ahead and put this into the redirection folder. We're going to go back to Computer Management. And we're going to go to Properties. Anyway, yeah, that's what we got. Okay. But, I've done all the steps, so, and it's a healthy partition drive, and it's linked to this, and I feel like I've yeah. So there we go.